Ever dreamed of crafting a game world as captivating and wonderfully weird as Earthbound? This is your ultimate guide to creating your own Earthbound-inspired RPG, where we'll break down every element that made Shigesato Ittoi's masterpiece so special. First, let's talk characters. Design unique and expressive protagonists. Think about their backstories, motivations, and how they'll evolve throughout their adventure. Jot down notes on their personalities and how it is presented in their design. Next, world building. Craft a memorable setting filled with quirky locations, strange creatures, and secrets waiting to be uncovered. Sketch it out, plan each area, and sprinkle the map with mysterious things to discover. Now, combat. Earthbound's turn-based battles are iconic. Design a system that's engaging, challenging, and full of personality. Consider unique status effects, PSI powers, and memorable enemy attack animations. The art style is crucial. Emulate Earthbound's charming pixel art. Master techniques like shading and dithering to create a retro aesthetic that's both nostalgic and visually appealing. Pick a limited color palette to reinforce the style. Don't forget the music. Compose a soundtrack that perfectly complements the game's atmosphere. Focus on catchy melodies, evocative sound design, and tunes that will get stuck in players' heads. Craft witty dialogue that oozes personality. Write conversations that are both funny and meaningful, driving the narrative forward and making your characters relatable. So, gather your tools, unleash your creativity, and get ready to bring your Earthbound-inspired vision to life. And make sure you like and subscribe for more game dev tutorials.